Don't miss this opportunity to hear David Shilliday, VP and GM of Honeywell's Advanced Air Mobility Unit on the Drone Radio Show with host Randy Goers as they discuss the recent award of $10 billion in ARM-related contracts and what this means for the future of advanced air mobility. Drone Radio Show Middle. Honeywell's Advanced Air Mobility Business, David Shilliday, VP of Urban Air Mobility. David Shilliday is Vice President and General Manager of the Unmanned Aerial Systems and Urban Air Mobility Business Unit at Honeywell Aerospace. Honeywell's UAS business develops new products and serves as a systems integrator for both airframe makers and operators in this fast-evolving market. Its area of responsibility spans aircraft systems, flight services, and ground operations. In November, Honeywell announced its Advanced Air Mobility Business Unit had secured contracts worth over $10 billion to build advanced air mobility components, signifying the growth of AMM as a viable commercial sector for years to come. David has been with Honeywell for over 18 years. Prior to his current role in the Advanced Air Mobility Unit, David held several key leadership positions within the company, including Vice President and General Manager for the Power Systems business of Honeywell and Vice President of EMEA Airlines. He also led the Honeywell Aerospace Trading (HAT) business, as well as roles leading aftermarket strategy and IP licensing. Prior to joining Honeywell, David had roles in engineering and IP strategy within the commercial automotive market. He holds a Bachelor of Science degree in Mechanical Engineering from the University of Arizona and a Master's degree in Business Administration from the W.P. Carey School at Arizona State University. David also holds a number of patents on innovative automotive safety technology and has published cooperative research in the field.